There are many products available to choose vegetable chopper, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best vegetable chopper from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. This Fullstar vegetable chopper is a bestseller for the brand, and we get why. If you're looking for a manual chopper that doesn't skimp on functions such as chopping, dicing, slicing, and spiralizing, then this Fullstar can make an excellent choice for your kitchen. The Fullstar vegetable chopper is a compact, non-electrical appliance featuring a non-slip, BPA-free plastic rectangular base to serve as a catch tray and a hinged, food-grade lid that pushes food through one of 4 interchangeable stainless steel blades. The blades include a small dice for softer foods, a large dice for harder foods, a spiral blade, and a ribbon blade. The blades lock in place atop the base for safety. To chop, just set your vegetable of choice on top of the blade, and then use your hand to push down gently on the lid and lower it. Number 2. Cuisinart Mini Prep 3-Cup Food Processor. The Cuisinart Mini Prep 3-Cup Food Processor is our top pick for vegetable choppers. A reliable, compact machine, this chopper can chop and grind your vegetables and plenty of other foods thanks to the 250-watt motor. This Cuisinart mini device is simple to use and boasts just 2 buttons and settings: chop and grind. The appliance consists of a base, a bisphenol-free, BPA-free, plastic work bowl with a handle, an insertable stainless steel 2-part, automatically reversing blade, and a plastic lid that locks into place. Another perk is that the electric cord is easy to store in the base, and the chopper comes with a spatula. When you're ready to chop, ensure you place the lid on the working bowl and click it into place. Then, press and hold the chop or grind button. The lid also has a small drizzle hole where you can add olive oil or another liquid while the chopper is running. Number 3. Zyliss Zick Classic Food Chopper. The Swiss-made Zyliss Zick Classic Food Chopper is our choice for a budget-friendly vegetable chopper. This manual chopper features a cylinder-shaped base with an internal push plunger, a zigzag stainless steel blade inside, an extended blade cover to keep fingers safe, and an attachable lid and cup. To use, place your fruits or vegetables on a chopping block or add them to the attachable cup. Then, hold the Zick directly over the ingredients and push down on the plunger. Each time you press, it rotates the blade to achieve a finer chop. The Zick's lid and cup can also be sealed to store chopped items, such as nuts or seeds. The Zick is dishwasher friendly. If you just want to rinse the blade, you can twist off the blade cover, just be careful not to cut yourself. There are quite a few pieces to take apart and reassemble, meaning cleaning can take a little while. Number 4. Ninja Food Chopper Express Chop. The Ninja Food Chopper Express Chop is a 200-watt machine that chops, grinds, and blends. We especially like this Ninja tool for its versatility. It can dice up produce like onions and tomatoes and tackle tougher ingredients like nuts. It's powerful enough to quickly whip up a batch of sauce, salsa, hummus, and much more. This chopper consists of a 16-ounce BPA-free, non-slip plastic work bowl, a snappable lid and splash guard, a 4-bladed chopper, and a motorized powered top with an ergonomic hand grip. Other useful accessories include the lid and splash guard. When you're done, you can simply seal the lid and store the contents of the work bowl directly in the fridge. To clean, we recommend hand washing. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Vegetable and Onion Chopper. When you want to give your fingers and eyes a break from the tedious task of onion chopping, we suggest opting for the OXO Good Grips Vegetable and Onion Chopper. This OXO tool consists of a BPA-free plastic base to catch chopped food and a hinged lid with a chopping blade. Open the hinged lid and place your onions, or other produce, directly onto the chopping blade. Gently close the lid on top of the food item and press down with your hands. The underside of the lid features extended teeth arranged in a grid shape to help push food through the blade plate. Note that this style of chopper might require some elbow grease to push ingredients all the way through. When you're done, you can easily pour the contents out of the base thanks to the generous opening in the back. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.